Auto body shops have unique risks and insurance needs, and in this video, I'm going to break it down to give you a better understanding of what you need to know and why you need to know it. So, auto body shops and collision centers. What types of insurance are needed? Today, many insurance companies will combine several of the required coverages you need under a single business owner's policy or BOP policy. This is going to include general liability to protect your auto repair business from claims that arise from bodily injury or property damage, property insurance to cover your building if you own it, your equipment, tools, and office contents, and also business interruption or business income insurance to protect your revenue flow if you're forced out of your shop due to a covered loss such as a fire. Next is garage keepers, which protects your customers' vehicles left in your care should they be damaged by vandals or during a test drive or if they're destroyed by fire or other disaster. In addition to these core coverages, the BOP policy will also provide limits of protection for certain types of crime insurance, special extensions on property and liability coverages, and several what I call fringe coverages that help round out a good package policy. Now, outside of the business owner's policies, there's a few other coverages or policies to consider, and the first is workers' compensation. That's there to protect your employees for injuries and illnesses they incur on the job, and it's also there to satisfy state mandates that you carry this kind of insurance. Next, umbrella or excess liability insurance, which provides an extra layer of liability protection over and above your other liability forms. This is really critical today when you consider how litigious society is. We're seeing a lot of claims blowing through the primary general and auto liability limits coverage of usually $1 million. Without an umbrella policy, you'll pay out of pocket for claims in excess of your primary policies, so we highly recommend it. Last, if you own a tow truck or have dealer or transporter plates, these are some specialized coverages that need to be addressed, and we can help you with those as well. So how do you get an insurance quote for your auto body or collision center? It all starts with a conversation. You may be facing issues or problems that need to be addressed, and you need someone to vent to about them. You may be a startup and don't know where to start. You may have a big premium increase that's motivating you to shop around. Let's have that conversation and see how we can help. I've been in the business for over 40 years, and there aren't many problems or issues I haven't seen or fixed. From there, I'll ask you for a copy of your current policy as a baseline and then get some additional information from you so we can go to several of our insurers to get competitive quotes. And if you're a startup, we'll start from scratch and gather all the underwriting information we'll need. Once the quotes are back, we'll review them to find the best one and make that recommendation for you. I promise to make the whole process as painless as possible with no sales pressure and no sales gimmicks. The bottom line is that you're investing a lot of your blood, sweat, and tears into your shop, and protecting you from potentially catastrophic claims is paramount. You want to work with an expert who has experience, knowledge, and skill to get you the right coverage at the right price. We have that skill set and represent a number of different insurance companies who really want to write your body shop. Want to learn more? You can find my contact info and a link below in the description box to set up an appointment on my calendar. Let's have a conversation and see if we're a good fit for your business. Oh, and before you go, can you do me a big favor? Click that thumbs up button if you found this information valuable. That'll help me get found here on YouTube so I can help other business owners like you. Thanks.